Hi, everybody. Along with Ray Ferraro, my name is James Cebulski. Welcome to the Sunshine State here in Tampa, Florida. Well, the Brooms are out here tonight. Does that give you a relaxed feeling as a team?
You better not. You got a chance to put this series away. Get it done. Don't let them breathe.
Really looking forward to this one tonight. A critical game for both sides here, and we are underway. Fires one, and a great save.
Bobrovsky's confidence had to be shaken after that blowout loss in the last game. But the playoffs are about the game today, and that's a good start.
Move to the middle. Denied by the goaltender. And there's another stop.
He's going to feel he missed one there. You don't get many chances that clean. The goalie turns it aside.
From the right side, takes the pass. Takes it to the front. Oh, that's a big-time save. I think he got it with a toe.
And he came out and challenged him. Good save.
And he makes the save on that play.
Bobrovsky's able to angle that save over to the corner so there's no rebound.
From the point. Stuffs him again.
Gonna have to work a lot harder to beat him tonight, I guess. There's two excellent saves in a row.
Slides it up front. And he's going after him here.
Barkov's ready to go. Apparently the other guy doesn't want anything to do with him.
Scrum ensues along the boards. And some nice footwork to free the puck up to his teammate. Grabs control of it at the point. Now a quick pass to Chernak. What a save! He'll probably feel that one tomorrow. Getting closer to the halfway point of this frame. We're still scoreless. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Here's a short pass to Duclair. The Panthers played along the boards. Here he is on the backhand. Off the glove. And he moves it up to Cirelli. And that's off a stick. The Bolts have it now. Quick pass to Cirelli. The Bolts take it along the wall. And that's turned aside by Bobrovsky. The Panthers gain possession in their own end. Ekblad's moving it ahead. And the puck's kicked free. The Lightning have gained possession off the wall. Puts it on net. Scores! Lightning strikes here in Tampa tonight.
Excellent shot. He gets his stick into position to deliver the puck. Goalie thinks he's got most of it covered, which he does, but not enough. It's just inside the post.
The Bolts are on the board first here. Does that change an approach now, Ray?
Well, it shouldn't change it too much, but then still, you're behind, and now you chase the game a little bit.
Moves it to McDonough. And that pass can't connect. And that's knocked away. Tampa Bay's got the puck along the boards. Colton's going to play it against the half wall. Here's a shot. He scores! I believe a colleague of ours likes to call those back-to-back.
Yeah, the coaches want you to stay aggressive after you score. They do that, and they're able to put another one up on the board. He's playing the percentages, drops into the butterfly, but it doesn't help him. He gets beat pretty cleanly.
In the final moments of this period, Tampa Bay's really controlled the pace of play these last few minutes, leading by 2. Puck grab by Weegar. Florida's got it along the wall. Puck scooped up by Verhaeghe. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Weegar. Puts it on net. Oh, and a great save by Vasilevsky. Gains the zone from the right. To the front. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Tries to feed it over to Marchment. From the left side, they enter the attacking zone. The Lightning have possession along the boards. And he regains control of the puck. The Panthers get a hold of it. Gets the full use of his stick on the poke check. Directed over to Chernak. The first period comes to a conclusion. Tampa Bay's practicing what they were preaching before this one. They wanted to get off to a good start. They were saying at the morning skate, they do just that, leading 2-0. Second period still to come. We'll take a quick pause and be right back with more action. Both teams had a chance to recharge, and the officials set to drop the puck here on period number 2. Florida's won the draw in the neutral zone. Receives the pass and puts the body into it, a little bumper car hockey. And play continues here. Centering pass in front, and the poke check. Oh, smart play. Takes the feed. Cuts into the paint. In front, and a stoppage on the play as the goaltender covers things up. We're still in the early stages of this period. The Bolts are currently sitting in the driver's seat, leading 2-0. Picked up along the boards by Ekblad. Oh, and a smart heads-up play. Moves it quickly over to Hedman. Takes the shot. Oh, great save by Bobrovsky.
He's working hard to find this puck. There's all kinds of traffic in front of him, and he gets to it before the puck gets to him.
Snaps it onto the net. Big save. Sends a pass over. Nice pass. Gobbles the puck up there with the chest. And he'll elect to play on. Stamkos has it along the boards. Breakaway. Oh, what a stop on the one-on-one.
What a great play to get in on the goal.
Puts it off the inside of the iron. Off the goaltender and in. That's a goal.
Well, you want to be on the highlights, do you? You're going to be now. He puts it into his own goal.
Tampa Bay's back at center. What a performance to this point.
They've moved the puck so well that they've had the puck the whole night. Their opponents are chasing it around like a carrot on a stick.
Puts it on goal. Oh, what a stop.
Bobrovsky's no different than anybody else tonight. I mean, that's a good stop that he makes, but he hasn't been very good, and the team has played rather poorly.
Great hand eye by the goaltender, poking it away. Duclair's lugging the puck. Takes the feed. The Bolts have it from their own end. Here they come up along the wing. He's got a step. Oh, what a save by the goaltender.
Terrific play to get in all alone. The move and the shot look good to me, but the goalie is right on it. What a stop. Everybody likes to think of themselves as a little bit of a clutch performer. If you score at this time of the year, you are that.
Well past the midway mark of this period, Tampa Bay's really put the squeeze on here, now up by 3. The Bolts win the faceoff, and he gets just enough of it to keep it out for the back of the net. From one point man to another. Grabs the puck here at the blue line. Takes a shot. Oh, I thought he was going to be beaten, and he somehow got a piece of that.
When you're the offensive player, it seems like so much more work when you got to go hunt the puck down in the corner. That's a good save.
Quick feed to Colton. Fires away. Great save by Bobrovsky. Oh, they do it again.
Wow.
There it is. They score. Johnny on the spot. He tucks in the rebound.
Get to the net. That's where the goals are. The rebound sits there, and he puts it away.
The Panthers are going to make a change in goal.
I guess you can't pull the whole team, so you just pull the goalie. He's had enough go past him tonight.
The Bolts are starting to make people lose track of just how wide this lead is now.
Busiest guy in the rink is the guy changing the numbers on the clock. Man, they are awesome tonight.
Here's a short pass to Bogosian. The Bolts played along the wing. Shuts him down. Great pressure on the offensive end by Maroon. Lets it go. Oh, and it stays out. He got a piece of that one. There's another stop.
So good. A couple of quick stops keep the puck out.
Oh, a little cat burglar-like play with the stick. Nicely done. There's the horn ending period number 2. Might almost be a mercy rule in some ways. Don't go anywhere. Third period is coming up, and it's coming up next. Welcome back, everyone. Both teams lined up at center ice, and we are ready to get this third period underway. 20 minutes to go here in regulation of what has been a very one-sided affair. Ray, with 2 periods in the books, what are your thoughts on the game to this point? Scores! And daggers from the goaltender as that goes off someone in front.
This puck changes directions pretty significantly here as it bounces off the defender and goes in.
If they can set him up for his 1T superstar ability, he can really hammer those one-timers, and right there, he put it home.
Puck is dropped and play resumes. Centering pass! And oh, so close on that play. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Ekblad stick handling in his own zone. Here they come on the attack. Oh, just a great heads-up play by Chernak.
Tampa Bay's blowing their opponent out of this game. They've intercepted so many passes, it's like they've played a perfect game.
Stamkos moves the puck. There's a hit on the play. From the point, looks to make something happen. Kind of lost control for a second there, but regains possession. Offside the call, and we'll have a face-off just outside the blue line. Nearing the midway mark of the period. The Bolts have recently extended their lead, and it is a blowout. Taken by Chernak. Moves inside! Denies him! The Bolts have it now. It's a fancy footwork to kick it over to his teammate. Nothing! The Panthers grab possession of the puck. And now he tries to get it across to Reinhart. Tampa Bay's got a hold of it along the wall. Killorn's got it against the boards. Oh, it stays out. He got a piece of that one. And there's the whistle. I kind of thought that the red light was going to go on behind the net before we got a stoppage in play here, Ray.
There's a little bit of frustration to having a shift and chances like this that don't go into the net, but if you put pressure after pressure on a team, eventually you'll crack through.
Both teams readying here for the face-off. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Big time stop there. He grabs the puck here at the point. Takes a shot. Oh, it stops him again.
He reads that play and sees a little sliver of daylight. He's on his horse now. They're not going to catch him.
And he uses his reach to disrupt the play. Hedman's got it in the defensive end. The Bolts carry it along the wall. Stopped by the goaltender. Slides it on over to Duclair. Long reach breaks up the momentum. And here's a shot. Oh, he got a little sliver of it, and it stays out. Great poke check on the reach. Florida's got possession here in the neutral zone. Moves right to the middle, and that's broken up. And now it's grabbed by Hagel. Hammers a shot. Oh, what a blocker stop on that.
Pretty efficient save there. The goalie helps the D-man out by putting the rebound in the corner.
Quick pass to Ekblad. The Lightning have the puck in their own end. Tampa Bay's moving it along the wing. Lets it go, and he comes up with the save. Feeds it to Huberdeau. Takes the feed at the back end. Gives them nothing in front. Moves into the offensive zone. All alone. Oh, what a save!
Really good effort. I thought he made a good play on the net, but the goaltender's right on top of it. Oh, you're not going to get much better scoring chance than that one, but the goaltender makes an excellent stick save.
Here in the later stages of this period, Tampa Bay's got a 5-0 lead. That's right, 5-zip is where we sit. Scooped up along the wall by Huberdeau. The Panthers take it along the wing. Here's a shot. Great glove save by Vasilevsky. Streaking into the attacking zone from the right. Denies him on the play. Picked up along the wall by Stamkos. Oh, another consecutive stop.
I love the way that he's in position, and he's got the reflexes to bang out a couple of stops in a row.
And now it's over to Huberdeau. Here's a chance. That's gloved by Vasilevsky. Slides the puck over. Palat's got it on the offensive end. Cannon of a shot, and he stands tall in goal. Mission accomplished once again. On to the next round. And that's stopped by Vasilevsky. And it is all over. You hear the expression, bright lights, whether players either wilt or shine in those big moments. This was a business-like approach the way they took care of this.
They didn't miss one step along the way. I mean, you sweep a team out, everything pretty much has to go your way from the beginning to the end. It was their series.
A lot of bottom lips need to be pulled up here as they go through the handshake line, Ray.
Emotionally and physically, you've put everything into your season, and it's now over. That side of the line is really a tough place to be.
For Ray Ferraro, I'm James Cybulski. We'll see you next time we drop the puck.